We're trying to do something that's never been done before. Something that seemed impossible.
We are constantly trying to push our designs just a little bit further. I'm always saying, make it even better. Before I had Fusion 360, the question was, can I really make that? Now it's more like, what can't I make?
Now I have a simple way to solve really complicated problems.
Our team is really tight-knit, even though we have people all over the world. Fusion 360 keeps us connected.
I'm able to spend more time with the things that matter to me most, because I can get my work done anytime, anywhere. It's an amazing feeling to hold something you've brought from idea to reality.
With Fusion 360, I don't have to compromise between cost or quality.
I'm an engineer.
I'm a machinist.
I'm a designer, and I use Fusion 360.
Fusion 360. One product, unlimited possibilities.